So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more in a day with a done-for-you online business that you only have to set up one time. Of course, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay, I'm not guaranteeing results. Results vary for everybody, myself included. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this exact same business after my company cut my pay because I decided I didn't want to be overworked and underpaid until the day I die. And what I love about this business is the fact that you don't have to get on the phone with people, you don't have to cold message strangers, you don't have to bother your friends and family, and you don't have to pay for ads. And the best part is the business is fully automated, which allows you to make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love, and you don't have to answer to a boss. Plus, you get to keep 100% of the profits because this is not multi-level marketing, MLM. This is not affiliate marketing, which means you don't split your profits with other people. You keep 100% and it's high ticket, so you can make $1,400 or more. Well, $1,400 per sale, and there's no limit to how many sales you can get. Okay, so you just got to set up your business one time, and then you plug into our community for training and support, and then you're following a 2-hour workday, which you're doing simple things like posting content on social media. You can also go live, you can post free ads, and you attract customers to you. Okay, that's what I've done to make thousands of dollars with this business myself. Plus, we've created like over 125 six-figure incrementers inside of our community from the United States alone. But it's a global business. You can get customers from any part of the world, right? So if you want to learn more, just go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in my bio. Okay, so I'm just gonna break down this business and I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. Okay. So basically, I want to explain how business in general works, right? So you have an offer, okay? The offer is the thing that you're selling. Now that could be a product, an opportunity, or a service, okay? It can be either your offer or you can sell other people's offers. So what we do here, we sell other people's products, right? Whatever you're selling, you gotta make sure that it's in high demand. It's something that people are actually buying, okay? Just like Apple phones. So many people sell Apple phones because Apple phones are in high demand and they make millions and billions of dollars in doing it, like Verizon, for example, right? So step number one is the offer, right? So we sell digital products in the e-learning industry and we keep 100% profit. We're not splitting our profits. Step two is the system. This is what allows you to make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. Okay. So what happens is you're promoting your business, right? Okay. You're posting content on social media, whatever you're doing, you're getting customers, you're getting people like leads, potential customers to go to your capture page, right? So they click on your link, right? They go to your capture page, they put their email in, they watch videos, the videos are doing the selling. Okay, they get emails from you. Okay, the emails are doing the follow-up and the selling, and then the website is also doing the selling. Okay, so the next step is a strategy. You need a strategy to get customers. So what is that strategy? That's marketing, that's advertising, right? Now there's 4 basic ways to do that. You can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, which means you're bothering your friends and family. You can do cold outreach, which means you're cold messaging strangers, and you can also do post content, okay, free content like on social media and like free ads, okay? That's what we teach you. Okay, we teach you attraction marketing, the free content strategies. Now you can do any of those 4 things you want to do, but we teach you the free strategies, okay? So that's it. You post content every day, you go live, and we teach you how to do this. And you can also post free ads on high traffic websites. All you're doing is driving traffic. You're sending people to your capture page. You're building your email list. They go through and they purchase, they buy stuff. And every time they buy stuff, you get paid instantly directly through your payment processor, okay? Now, if you have any questions, drop in the comments. If you want to learn more, go to 7figuremonk.com, okay? I've been building this business for over 2 years. I'm not new to this, okay? I've made thousands of dollars with this. I know the creator of this business personally, okay? I fully recommend this business. I've been building this business for over 2 years and I'm still building this business because there's nothing like this on the planet. This is in my opinion, the best business that was ever that's out there right now. I've never seen anything this good, okay? So now let me share my screen with you. So I want to show you how everything looks, right? Well, that's my YouTube page. We'll get there in a second. So here, this is the system that we give you. This system is what makes money for you while you're sleeping, right? It's called a capture page, and we just updated these pages, and they look really good. Okay, so what happens is this is the capture page. All you got to do is put your picture here. Okay, you put your picture here, just like my picture is there. Capture page, right? It says enter your best email. So people enter their email. They put their email in. Okay, what happens next is this. They go here and they watch one of these videos. Okay, these videos, there's 2 videos that they watch. The videos are doing the selling for you. Okay, the videos, right? The videos are going to answer 99% of the questions for you and your potential customer, right? So they watch the videos, right? There's one video here, then we send out another video inside of people's emails, right? And then after that, it takes them here to the website, and this is where they can purchase a product. So look at this website. It's first class. It's like it's Millionaires have created this website. So this is a done for you system. You just got to set up the system once. You can set this up in a few hours. Okay. So this is what the website looks like, basically. Okay. So this is a beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom, right? Global business opportunity. Beginner-friendly way to make money online using done-for-you digital products while developing the skills to unlock even more income opportunities, including a global business opportunity, build recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing and affiliate marketing, create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, become certified in digital marketing, okay? That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn. So you're not just accessing income streams, you're learning how to build them. You're building multiple opportunities that can grow together. Okay. So we teach you how to stack income streams. So if you want, you can just focus on reselling these digital programs that we have, or you can learn how to build all kinds of income streams. It's up to you. Some people, all they do is focus on, selling these digital products, and other people, they want to do everything. I'm somebody that wants to do everything. So then get started here. So it takes them down here. Look, this is what happens. They watch the video again. The video explains what's inside of the programs. And this is what we sell. We sell these programs, right? So they sell for 1,400, 900, okay? They sell for 600, 300, and 100. And you have the resale rights to these programs, and you get to keep 100% of the profit. So let's say you want to join this business, right? So what do you have to do? You purchase one of the programs, you invest. It's a one-time investment, right? One time. Just like I invested my hard-earned money in this program too. Okay. I also invested, right? So it's a one-time investment. And once you purchase the program, you get instant access to everything. You get access to your program, and you get access to the community, training, support, and you get access to the system. Okay. The system as well. Actually, let me show you that. I forgot to load that. Let me load that real quick. Let's see, where it is it? Okay, here it is. Okay. Yeah. So as soon as you purchase a program, right? Let's go back there. Okay, let me just show you this. Okay, yeah, so as soon as you purchase a program, you have instant access. So your program is here, okay? Like you're gonna have access to your program. You just go through the program. The program itself was designed to teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures, right? See, like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, phase 6. There's 6 phases that you go through, right? And it also talks about that on the website, like the phases that you go through. Where is that? Let me find it. Oh yeah. One second. It's at the bottom. Yeah. We just upgraded this website recently, so okay, I missed it again. See, this is live. Okay, here's the phases. It's live, it's live. What you'll learn inside. Okay, phase 1, foundation. Okay, get it crystal clear on your niche and who you're meant to help. Okay, phase 2, attraction. What to post every day. Okay, how to create content that stops the scroll. Phase 3, engagement. How to turn views into conversions. Phase 4, conversion. How to invite people to your offer with confidence. Phase 5, leveraging. How to create content in minutes, not hours. Okay. Phase 6, monetize. How to add additional income streams without starting over. So that's what the programs are teaching, right? So you have the resale rights to the programs. So if you want, you can just resell the programs if that's the only thing you want to do, right? You can just resell the programs. Maybe that's all you want to do. You just want to make $1,400 a day reselling the programs. Cool. Some people do that. Or if you want, you can learn how to build other income streams as well, right? Like social media monetization, community monetization, UGC, TikTok shop. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm personally mostly focused on, reselling the programs, and also like, learning affiliate marketing, and also community monetization and social media monetization, for example. And then you get all these bonuses, right? You get different bonuses. Okay. You get access to our community for free. You get access to this other training for free. You get access to like how to build your own community, how to do faceless, 200 digital product ideas. So you get all these different bonuses. And you can see there's all these different testimonials on the website as well. All these different testimonials. So that's it. That's basically how the website looks. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions about that. And like I said, you go inside of the program, you go through your program, and then to set up your website, to set up the system, we have this. It shows you how to set up your system. It shows you how to set up these pages, right? You're going to set up these pages. Okay. Now it shows you exactly how to do that. So let me go here. So it shows you how to set it up, right? What you need to do. Like, for example, you got to go to GoDaddy, you got to get a domain. My domain is sevenfingermonk.com. You need a domain, okay? You got to get your email, professional email, and that's stuff like that. And then you got to set up your payment accounts, like your Square, PayPal, because you got to attach your payment processor to your website. Okay, that's how you receive payments, right? And that's it. And then it shows you how to connect your domain and system. You just watch the videos. It doesn't take long. It takes like, a few hours to set up. It's not a big deal. Okay. And you set it up and that's it. And then once you set it up, you're open for business and that's it. And then you go inside of our community. Okay. Our community, we have 59,000 people in our community, right? And we have a section called wins. So let me show you proof that people are making money, for example. Let me show you proof. Now this person just made, she got 166 leads for her business. Okay. So people can post whatever wins they want to post. She made over $11,000 in March. Okay. Sabina made $11,000 in March, guys. I still can't put into words how this business is such a great blessing for us. I'm so grateful to God, our global mentor, and myself for believing in me. It is possible for all of us. Okay. So I see this stuff all the time. I see these wins all the time. Either I'm making money or somebody else is making money, right? $700 in 3 days for Alana. Okay. Closing March. She made 7,000 in March. Okay. And she's from South Africa. We got a lot of people from South Africa too. Okay. She made $300 during her live, $300. Okay. They made, how much did they make? I don't know. That's in South Africa Rand. So I don't even know what that means. 24,000 South Africa Rand. I don't even know what that is. Okay. I don't even know what that is. They need to translate to American dollars. So we got a lot of people from the United States, Canada, and South Africa. I think those are our 3 top places, but it's a global business. So, okay. Yeah, there you go. 300, 300. There you go. There's proof that people are making money, right? By reselling the programs, the products, the digital products. Okay. So inside of our classroom, we have bonus trainings as well. Like if you're brand new, there's a training here, getting started and accessing your program. And then in the calendar, it shows you all the events that we have. Okay. We got these different events going on. We have Millionaire Mentoring every Monday, which is cool. Okay. And that's it. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, we have a 2-hour workday. So for example, like posting content on social media, right? So I use my YouTube channel to promote this business. I do other stuff on my YouTube channel. Like I'm either like promoting this business or I'm doing marketing and mindset stuff. That's pretty much what I do on my YouTube channel, right? But like I create a lot of videos. Like this is like whenever I'm talking about 1,400 a day, that's for this business, right? A lot of my shorts, they're for the business, okay? Then I have videos about mindset as well because I think mindset's important. So I post short videos, okay? Like I do long videos. Like what I'm doing right now is a long form video. Then I do short videos like that are like a minute. You see, I do like 7-second videos with words on the screen. I do some green screen videos, talking videos. Everything I've like all these videos and stuff that I've created, it's based on what I've learned from inside of our community, guys. Everything is from like what I've learned inside of the community. Okay. And then I do posts like this on Facebook, on YouTube as well. This is like a business post, some images that I created. This is kind of like mindset stuff. I do mindset as well. Mindset, marketing tips, business tips, things like that. This is what I do to build my brand and promote my business. I do stuff like this. Okay. So that's about it. That's it, my friends. I pretty much showed you the business. Okay. I pretty much showed everything. It's super beginner friendly. Like that's all you got to do. Set up your business like I showed you, and then follow the 2-hour workday, which we teach you how to do, and post 3 pieces of content a day, go live. You can post free ads. It's up to you how you want to build your business. And we're going to help you do that. Like when I say we, like me and the people in our community are going to help you build your business. You just got to take action. You got to just check out the information and see if it's a good fit for you. If you like it, just get started. Okay. So 7figuremonk.com, go there, check it out. If you have any questions, what you got to do is you go to 7figuremonk.com, you enter your email. If you have any questions, you just reply to my emails and you can unsubscribe at any time. Okay. So I hope this helps. I think this is honestly the best business out there. I don't think anything really compares to this based on what I've seen, but you can make that decision for yourself. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video and God bless. Have a great day.